Hey everybody, Ben here with Kryptonite, and today we're here with our 2019 F350, and it's got all the Kryptonite goodies on there. We often get asked, why Kryptonite? I'm gonna tell you right now. Step one, steering. Look at the steering on this thing. Your forward steering is anemic. You do need this. Our steering will cover up to a 6-inch lift with no brackets. Also, an adjustable track bar. Your factory track bar, not adjustable, so if you lift or level your truck, your axle is gonna be off-centered. Get ours on there and get covered there today. We also have radius arms. Caster. These trucks are caster deficient. So if you're leveling your truck or going a little bit higher than that, get some radius arms on there, get a stronger radius arm and correct that caster. It also works very well with our ball joints. You have a lifetime warranty on our ball joints. It's a metal to metal internal construction. It's gonna last you a very, very long time. Next, steering stabilizers. Get that Fox steering stabilizer and make sure you have a nice cushy ride with that steering wheel. And lastly, the shocks. You gotta get better shocks on these trucks. I don't know why they would ever sell a Ford with these shocks on there, but they do. Get some Foxes on there, you'll be good to go for many, many miles to come. If you have any questions about anything you see on here, feel free to call or click online at kryptoniteproducts.com.